Hi everyone. Hi,
Hi.
Hello.
am I audible to all of you?
Hi.
I'm actually testing my new webcam, so I'm just trying to ensure that I'm looking visible. I'm visible to you all, and I'm looking good, and everything is in place, right?
Yeah, right. But Niharika, you're looking a little different
Yes,
in this
everything
new
is
webcam.
fine.
Yeah, it's the camera. Don't worry. I'm saying, I'm saying it's the camera which is different.
Yeah, not your usual self.
Yeah. So, hi everyone. I am Niharika Chaturvedi, and on behalf of Rapid Miles team, I welcome you all to this week's MMC session. Let me begin with introducing Rapid Mile team to you. Rapid Mile has been in this arena of trainings from last 17 years. We have been training people on law of attraction and mind power. We are a team of 6 magnificent trainers who are working day and night to help people and change their lives. We train them on law of attraction and mind powers. The 6 trainers which we have are we have Shaz Kamar, who owns Rapid Miles team. He's a law of attraction trainer. Dr. Anila, who's a law of attraction trainer and is a magnificent speaker. We have Mr. Sanjeev Mishra, who is a money magnet. We have Mr. Balram Talreja, who's a yogacharya. You all must be aware of who Balram sir is. And I'm sorry, just a second. Some arty going on here. Just 1 second. Yeah, so that was Shank, and it kind of clarified everything around me. So now I'm, I'm in a better mood right now. So we have Dr. Anila, we have Mr. Sanjeev Mishra, we have Balram sir, and we have Ongi, who is a digital expert, and I am Viharika. I'm a success principal trainer, a law of attraction expert, and an author as well. So today's session is going to be really adventurous. You know why? Because it's not a session. It's not a session. It's actually a mastermind session. Okay. This is the first time in the history of MMC that we are going to conduct a mastermind session. You all are going to experience a witness a real mastermind session with a group of people who are experts in their own fields. Okay. And in this session, 1 hour session, first of all, I'll introduce you to the concept of mastermind. And then I will tell you the 7 steps of conducting a mastermind session. And then I will open up the stage for volunteers to come forward and share their personal goal, the most important professional goal that they have in this moment. And if there is any obstacle and or challenge that they are going through, and then we will brainstorm. So today we are going to brainstorm as well. We are going to brainstorm and come up with resolution or solutions to any challenges that you are facing in your professional goal. Okay, cool. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So right now, let's start with the very basic question. What do you understand by a mastermind group? Okay, is there anyone who in the group who actually has heard this word before or has been doing mastermind session with their groups? So anyone can come up and tell me what a mastermind group is.
It's something like like each of us share goals, and and all of us contribute to the success of the goal. It's just not the person who is taking it up. Everybody is going to contribute to the goal in large.
Okay, great answer. Is there anyone else who wants to add to this?
Yes, ma'am. Eh, every teacher of mastermind has a
Manjesh,
unique.
you can speak in Hindi also if there's no issue with me. आप हिंदी में बोलिए, हिंदी में समझाने का प्रयास करिए.
मास्टरमाइंड ग्रुप के सभी लोग लोगों के पास एक अद्भुत और अविश्वसनीय क्षमता, ज्ञान और ताकत है। जो किसी भी व्यक्ति या वस्तु को पूरी तरह बदलने की क्षमता रखते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Very good answer, Manish. This can be added to our original definition. It's a very good point actually that he made. So mastermind group is a group of like-minded people. Okay, they can be from the same arena, same domain, or they can be from different professional arenas who come together to support and help each other attain or achieve their respective goals. I'll repeat it. Mastermind group is a group of like-minded people, either from the same professional domain or from different professional domains, who come together to support and help each other attain their life goals. Okay, so this group of people usually meet in like 1 week or 10 days or 15 days, and they hold each other accountable. They track each other progresses, and they track if the person is actually manifesting their goals or not. Are they taking enough actions or not? They track everything. They track the overall progress of everyone and their respective goals, and also they help in terms of they do brainstorming, and if someone from the group is actually having any obstacle or challenge in the process of achieving their goal, then they help them resolve that. By giving them some ideas. They can give them advices to them. They can share any resources to them, or they can help them themselves. Okay, that's how they help and support each other, so that everyone in the group attains that life goal that he has, attains that vision of life goal that he has in their mind. Understood? Are we clear on this, what a mastermind group is?
Yes.
And creating a mastermind group is very, very, very easy. So you just have to find people who are like-minded, the ones who are actually committed and dedicated towards living their goals, the ones who have clear idea of what their dreams look like, and they are ready and they're willing to take action towards their dreams or towards their goals. Okay, you need to have dedicated people in this group, otherwise the beauty of the group is somewhere lost. Because if you are in a group of people, say 5 people, 5 of your friends have come together to form a mastermind group, and one of them is actually not dedicated enough, he misses the cause or he doesn't take action, then the beauty of this entire mastermind group is lost, right? So the idea, the point of having a mastermind group is help everyone who is part of the group to achieve the goal that they have in their minds. Are we clear on that? Every time I say are we clear, we just give a thumbs up, double thumbs up. Okay. Cool. So till now, you have understood what a mastermind group is, or how you can make a mastermind group. You have to choose people from the same professional arenas, or you can choose people from your office or very close friends. You can choose your own relatives as well, right? So you can create a group of say 5 to 7 people, not more than that, because it's easier to track 7 people. More than 7, it becomes very burdensome. If you're able to handle more than 7 people, then it's cool. You can go ahead and make a group more than 7, but usually keep it very short group, as in a small circle of say 5 to 7 people. Okay. Now, second point is, suppose you're not getting good number of people to form a mastermind group. What can you do to fast track your success? There's another thing that you can do, is you can choose only one accountability partner. Just one partner who can help you, who can hold you accountable, and you can help him or her, and she or he can help you. So that concept is called as accountability partner, the concept of having an accountability partner. So either you create a mastermind group, or in case you're not getting a good number of people who are as committed, as dedicated towards living their life goals, then it's okay. Just have one person, just find one person who you can help achieve their goal, and they can help you achieve your goal, right? That will be your accountability partner. Clear? So this is the concept of having a mastermind group, or an accountability partner. So I was telling you about how mastermind sessions are actually, by the way, this entire concept of having a mastermind group is carried or applied and implemented by a lot of billionaires. You know, the rich ones, the amazing. Mute yourself. Hi, Ravi. Good to see you. As in, good to not see you because your video is off. But hi. So Ravi, can you please mute? Yeah. So I was saying we still have an audio problem, right? So I was saying that all the billionaires, the Steve Jobs, the Elon Musks, and the trainers, the Earl Nightingales, or the strangers. What's the guy of Stranger's Secret? Who has been watching Stranger's Secret? Yes, Sanjeev sir. What's his name? Mr. Earl Nightingale. All these people are actually the ones who came up or who used to practice this mastermind group thing. Okay, nowadays all these great trainers from Bob Proctor to Jack Canfield, everyone endorses to have mastermind groups. In fact, this entire concept that I'm going to talk about and the 7 steps of creating a mastermind group and having a mastermind session is given by none other than Jack Canfield himself. So one by one, I'll tell you the exact 7 steps of having a mastermind session, and then we'll open it for you all, where each one of you as in volunteers can come forward, share their most important professional goal in the moment, and is there any obstacle that they are dealing with in that, and then we'll brainstorm. We will brainstorm and we'll heartstorm and we'll try to figure out or try to resolve that challenge or that obstacle that they are facing. Okay, cool, interesting, right? I'm really excited to see who has got, what kind of goals you all people have, right? So let's talk about the 7 steps of conducting a mastermind session. Number 1 step is once we start the session, we'll ask for spiritual guidance. We'll just close our eyes for 1 minute, and then we will, just kind of pray that everyone who has got respective goals actually attains that goals. Okay. Number 2 is we will share something what's new and good. Okay. Now, step 3 is if someone has to speak more, then you can negotiate on time. Suppose I have more things to share, I have more number of problems, then I can say that can you give me more time? We'll negotiate on time. Number 4 is we individual members or the volunteers will come forward and speak while the group will listen, and then we'll brainstorm solution. This is the most important step, guys. The step number 4. Okay. Then we all will make a commitment to stretch. We'll say, okay, now I have some idea on the resolution. I'm going to put some extra effort to make it happen. I'm going to put some more will, some more dedication, some more commitment. I'll stretch more to attain that goal. Okay, now since I have the resolution. And then number 6 is we'll end with gratitude and we'll be accountable. We'll say that I am accountable for whatever I have committed right now, and I'll do it and I'll finish it before the next mastermind session. This is the entire process of the entire number of steps, 7 steps that we are going to cover in this. Now, as I open the session, for this mastermind brainstorming session, I would want one volunteer, one from anyone who can be a timekeeper. Timekeeper means everyone who speaks will get Shaz, how much time will I give to them? 2 minutes, is that okay?
I think 2 minutes is fine, yes.
2 minutes, we'll give 2 minutes each. Usually the time is 6 minutes, but since we don't have time, we are running out of time. So we usually will give 2 minutes each to the volunteers who come forward to share their professional goal and the obstacle or challenge that they're facing. Okay, cool. Are we ready, guys? Are we all ready? Yes, yes. So first of all, let's close our eyes just for 1 minute and just pray to God, to whoever you have faith on, to the universe, and ask for spiritual guidance and pray that everyone who is part of the group actually attains whatever they are working on. Just 1 minute. Close your eyes, please. Okay, so now you can open your eyes. Okay. Can one or two of the volunteers come forward and tell me anything new or new thing that they learned or they did in their professional arenas? And then we'll start with opening the platform for everyone. One or two of the people, two of the volunteers who wants to come forward and share something new that they're doing. Can I begin? Yeah, so that will give you an idea of what exactly you have to share. So I want to share that I am right now working on a very interesting course on law of attraction course, wherein I'm trying to make it as fun as possible, as humorous as possible, because every time we see courses on law of attraction, which is very serious, very, formal kind of thing. And I usually wanted something which is full of fun, which has got so many fun activities that I love doing it and I love engaging and all, right? So right now I'm working something like that. It's a law of attraction course, and I'll share it with you all. The team with Team Rapid Mind will share with you all very soon. So that's my thing that I want to share. Is there anyone who wants to come forward and share what they are doing in this? Something very new and innovative or creative, whatever you're working on in your professional life, not personal life. Yeah, Sanjeev sir.
So I don't know whether it is very innovative, but for me it is new. मैंने पिछले 1 महीने में Excel सीखा, जो मेरा हाथ टाई कर देता था whenever I used to create some automation sheet या back testing stock market से related है. आप टर्म समझने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट वो एक चीज मैंने सीखी है, मेरे को उसकी वजह से जो मेरा काम करने का आवर है वो और कम होता जा रहा है. एंड मास्टरमाइंड सेशंस हमने स्टार्ट किए, बहुत दिनों से चल रहा था दिमाग में, ऑल नाइटिंगेल सुना, फिर आपकी वर्कशॉप के बाद फाइनली जो हम 3-4 दोस्त हैं, हम लोग मास्टरमाइंडिंग करते हैं स्टॉक मार्केट की स्ट्रेटजी के ऊपर. ये 2 चीज मैंने प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट पे नई शुरू की.
Wow, kudos to Sanjeev sir, because very few people actually go on and implement whatever they have learned like in the first week itself. So great. I'm really proud. I'm really happy to hear that. Great. So is there anyone who wants to share, or we can move forward? Shaz, yeah.
Yes, can.
Yeah, Shaz, uske baad Balram sir aap bhi. हाँ.
Okay, so I have kept a target for myself to grow my digital marketing business to 160 crores per annum, and for that I would need to come up with really innovative ways to earn that amount. So I have tapped in the Russian and the German market. Okay, so I'm coming up with innovative ideas to promote certain digital marketing products in Russia as well as Germany. So I'm studying, and the interesting thing which I found out is that Google is not famous in Russia. It's the other search engine, which is Yandex, which acquires 65% of the search engine share. So I'm exploring more on Yandex so that I can promote more products on Yandex.
Wow, this is amazing, Shaz. I was about to do a woo woo when you said Russian and German, but
Okay.
Great, Shaz. Balram sir.
See, recently under Rapid Mile, I got the opportunity to come up once again with my very interesting subject, that is pranayam. It is almost now 2 months now. Every day I learn something new, teach something new. The 2 participants, the giant from the morning sessions, are here with us. They also know we are going so beautifully ahead. Every day with new innovative ideas. And the evening class, which I recently started in the last 1 month, people come on the very first day and they get 50% cure even from their anxiety and even from their depression. I had stopped the studies of pranayam because I went to this law of attraction side and mind power, then Ho'oponopono, lot many other this thing, alternate therapy is a vein for. But now, with this, you can say, love towards my new learnings in pranayam, I can challenge you that anybody learning pranayam from me, maybe the migraine 35 years old, maybe the gangrene, maybe the any complicated disease where no doctors are able to help them, no medicines, no doctors. Even those patients, those who come to my class, or those who learn from me, or those who follow the ways, now I am quite developing now and studying a lot. They're going to be definitely, I'm going to be an outstanding yoga master under the Rapid Mind. Thank you.
Thank you, Balram.
That's amazing, and I hope all your students are actually loving you. Yeah, I can see their messages all day, right? So that around you're an angel, you're a divine angel, and you're this angel. This is amazing to see so much love pouring from all of these people for you, right? So thank you so much, Balram.
Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
so this is the this was which step, guys? Step number. This was step number 2, as in share what's new and good with your team. And now we'll go ahead. Step number 3 we'll skip because it's like negotiating time for 6 minutes if you want to speak more. That's the step number 3. We'll directly go to the step number 4, where I will open this platform for you all. The individual members will speak, the volunteers will speak, and the group will listen, and then we will brainstorm solutions. Okay, cool. Are you excited for this step? Step number 4. So the stage is now open, and now I would request volunteers who wants to come first and share what their most important professional goal is, and is there any challenge that they're facing in that, and then everyone in the group is going to brainstorm. Okay, keep your brains ready. Come on. Who is the first volunteer?
Shall I move?
Yeah, Bhaskar sir.
Okay. Hey, good. I'm Bhaskar from Bangalore. I've recently, like probably about a few months back, I've tied up with the organization in Bangalore and marketing a product called Shaiko across India. And initially, I started with being a marketing consultant, then now being a dealer for this product. This is basically a plug-and-play device which prevents the coronavirus in the given environment. Very, very powerful product. It is approved by CE and FDA in the Europe. And though the product is very good, it's a little tough to market product. The cost is about 25,000 rupees. That's it. People spend lakhs of rupees for our home comfort, buying a car, buying jewelry, and so many things. But when it comes to buying this device, they take a backseat. Why should I, buy 25? I'll manage with my social distancing and using mask and all that. But this is a very, very effective post. This is one thing, especially in this pandemic time, I need to push this forward. So I'm requiring help from people.
Okay, cool. So wow, this is amazing, Bhaskar. So this product is what? It's a plug-in device, you said, right?
Yes, plug-and-play device, which is manufactured in India under Atmanirbhar project and exported to 60 countries all over the world.
Oh wow! So are you kind of exporting it out, or what? It's only for Indian market, or is it for other?
It's for all over the world. It's Indian market. It's huge market available here, and 4 licensees for this project, and it's a patented product. So it's a very, very niche. Yeah.
So you're saying that marketing it is a major issue over here, because obviously people will not be able to, give you 25,000. It's a huge price for them. They'll rather get vaccinated.
See, vaccination is just a temporary solution. It only improves the immunity. But even if you're getting vaccinated, still, you can still contract the virus. So this is more of a prevention method. You can keep it at your home, office, or wherever, any business, any type of business you can do. It's called Shaiko.
Have you been marketing it digitally and all the platforms that is there?
I'm going to start that in the new.
I'm sorry. Just once again, is there someone who is keeping time? One volunteer, please. Can someone keep time?
I'll do it.
Okay, cool. Let's begin once again. Bhaskar sir, so you're saying you are about to start that marketing and everything.
Yeah. Right now, I've been doing through our close networks and all that through WhatsApp and other contacts. But now I just want to move digitally. and see, like it should. This is actually, it should not be a push product. It should be a pull product.
Yes.
That's what I want to move to. Yeah, that's the objective.
Oscar, I have a couple
Anyone-
of questions.
Yeah, Shaz.
Okay, one is that do you have a website where you can showcase this product?
There actually, the product information is there. There's a lot of information on Google and other places. Probably I need to do it on my own now.
Okay, so like how, if somebody asks for this product, how do you describe it, or how do you showcase this product?
We have a very, a 3-sheet slide. It gives complete information about the product, A to Z, complete information, and it's very friendly, simple language. But in spite of that, if some questions are asked, I'm going to explain to them. I have a small PPT. If I need to explain to a corporate or a group gathering like this, so it becomes easier with also listed questionnaires, FAQs, and all that. So it becomes easiest to understand and sell it.
All right. So I think Bhaskar, if you can share me the PPT later, I'll go through it. And I have a team of almost 300 plus affiliates who promote products.
Okay.
And so I'll speak with certain e-commerce people who can product certain products online, as well as I have some publishers who have mailing lists as well as SMS lists of almost 10 lakh plus people.
Okay.
So I'll work on the cost, and I'll share with them. First of all, actually, to utilize all these methods of digital marketing, the first thing is that we need to have a landing page or a website where people can click on that and visit and understand the benefits of the product, as well as there need to be certain testimonials which are very important. So as it's a new product, if you come and pitch me, how would I have that trust that this would actually work? Why should I invest 25,000?
Right.
Why not 25,000 something else?
Correct.
Or why not just 2,000 in vaccine, which would eventually protect me?
Yeah.
So those testimonials are very important, and those two need to be strong testimonials, at least 8 to 10, which when people go through it, they should get that trust.
Yeah. Sure. I already have it. I can share it with you. So just give an example,
Just one idea that came to my mind. Can you collaborate with hospitals and all these places where they can also help in selling all these products?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a possibility, but if there are the healthcare ministry, right, or NGO, you can collaborate with them to help people and or to sell through them, right? The governments also can help you in I mean, this is just a vague thought, but you can explore it. Okay.
Sure. Definitely.
Yeah. So sorry.
Since you said hospital, just one line I want to talk about it. See, usually in the current pandemic, if somebody gets a corona positive, and if it's a little serious, they have to minimum, as per the protocol, they have to stay for 12 to 15 days in a ICU. But after the Cyclocurn has been installed in ICU, the viral loads will be very, very high. After Cyclocurn is installed, the duration of stay has come down from 15 days to 4 days.
Oh,
a huge,
huge difference. Yes.
Yeah, we have got certificates for that in hospital in Chennai, and huge breakthroughs in this area.
So it's a strong product, and I think we can work out on it. Have you
Sure,
tried
sure.
selling it on Amazon?
Actually, the patent holder, Mr. Raja Vijay Kumar, he has banned selling it on Amazon and all that. The objective for him is to reach the mass, especially like hospitals, diagnosis center, mass crowd and all that, to reduce the curb the coronavirus from spreading. That's the objective, principal objective. That's why he has priced it very less. Yeah. In fact, in US and all, it's costing $1,500 approximately.
Okay.
I just wanted to say that I want to know about that product first thing.
I will send you this.
First sale can happen now.
Where do you think आपके customer कहाँ पे होते हैं? Where do you think your customers are?
Customers can be anywhere. It could be a home, it could be a neighbor, it could be a hospital, diagnosis center. In fact, recently,
who will be more keen to buy it?
anybody, I said. Like we have, our target is billions of customers in India itself.
I don't know आपने try जरूर किया होगा. Have you?
Every individual can be the buyer here.
We have recently sold to Indira Gandhi International Port through GMR. We have sold to hospitals, we have sold to colleges, diagnostic centers, apartment complexes.
These things, So आपको ऐसे जगह ज्यादा अप्रोच करना चाहिए and tell them you will certify that you are a good corporate who takes care of their employees.
Yes.
तो जहां पे लोग अट्रैक्ट कर पाए कि हाँ मेरे ऑफिस में आओ, मेरे पास एक चीज है जो आपको कोरोना से प्रोटेक्ट कराएगी, तो वो अपने एम्प्लॉयज को बुला सकती है उसकी वजह से, तो उनके लिए भी एडेड एडवांटेज है वो मशीन का।
5.5 minutes over.
Yeah, sorry.
I will share this to the group after this.
आप वो जरूर करिए शेयर।
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much.
Sure. Okay, so I hope you got some idea, some clarity on
Yeah, many ideas. Very much. Thank
many
you very
ideas. Very good, Bhaskar.
Who's going next?
Who is next? Who wants to come next?
So should I?
No professional goals. Come on. Yeah, Sanjeev sir. Yes.
So मेरा प्रोफेशनल गोल है पैसिव इनकम 10 लाख रुपीस
Shaz, can you please keep timing? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Sanjeev sir.
मेरा प्रोफेशनल गोल है 10 लाख रुपीस पर मंथ की पैसिव इनकम, और जो हमारा हेल्थ क्लिनिक है उससे 5 लाख रुपीस पर मंथ की इनकम, प्रॉफिट्स के मतलब इनकम से मतलब प्रॉफिट टैक्स, रेवेन्यू नहीं। सो अभी जो मैं 2 जगह कर रहा हूँ, एक तो मुझे स्टॉक मार्केट्स के लिए फंड रेज करने में क्या कैसे करना चाहिए वो चीज पे मैं वर्क कर रहा हूँ एंड फाइंडिंग आउट न्यू वेज। दूसरा यही जो मैं ऑटोमेशन पे वर्क कर रहा हूँ सो दैट मेरा काम बहुत आसान हो जाए, मैं ज्यादा स्टॉक्स को स्टडी कर पाऊँ, ताकि when I'm talking to people or when I'm talking to myself also, I have a good background and मैं बता सकूं कि yes I know what I'm talking about. And for the Healthify thing, I am looking for a real good digital partner. एक हमारे पास है, एक हमने Healthify इंस्टीट्यूट खोला है, तो उसके लिए आई एम लुकिंग फॉर गुड डिजिटल पार्टनर जिसको खुद से भी थोड़ी सी मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज आती हो, जो टोटली हम पे डिपेंडेंट ना हो। तो these things, so obstacle word तो negative होता है, these things I am looking for.
Yeah, great. So it's kind of some milestones that you have to achieve before you achieve the final goal. So let's call this is a very interesting point. So let's not call it obstacle or challenge. There's certain milestones you have to achieve before you achieve your final destination goal. So everyone will share it like that. Okay. Anyone wants to help Sanjeev sir with his milestones that he wants to create? A digital.
Sanjeev, have you taken Healthify on Instagram?
Healthify is institute का अभी नहीं ढंग से शुरू हुआ, मतलब उसका पेज बन गया है, बट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर ए पर्सन जो अच्छे से कंटेंट वगैरह हम उसको एडवाइस दे दें, he can then use his creativity, her creativity and
okay. So what I'll do, Sanjeev, I am in an amazing group with almost 300 plus people, experts on digital marketing, out of which a lot of them are experts as well as employees also in different companies as well as freelancers. So I'll connect you to that group. You can announce this, whatever exactly you're looking for, and some people would contact you for the job.
हाँ, तो मैं आपको स्पेसिफिक रिक्वायरमेंट व्हाट्सएप कर दूंगा so that
ठीक है, तो first I'll make you add to this group and then we'll post the requirement there.
Yeah, that will be fine. Great, thank you.
Welcome.
300 में तो मिल ही जाएंगे।
Obviously, ढूंढने से तो भगवान मिल जाते हैं, खुदा
300 में मिल जाते हैं, plus they circulate it to their known people also, because a lot of people are looking for jobs in these situations.
A lot of freelancers are also working nowadays, digital freelancers. Everywhere I see all these freelancers, on LinkedIn and everywhere you can find a lot of people who are working on as freelancers.
The other website is Fiverr, fiverr.com, fiverr.com. So if you have a small task to do, that's a really good place.
Long term strategy एक बार बता के और फिर उससे फ्री हो जाना है कि 80% काम वो अपने आप करता है। मैं उस तरह
in that case, I think an employee would do, or a contract person.
Yeah, I also can do it मतलब वैसे as a freelance partner also.
Right.
Okay, great. So I think Sanjeev sir, you got some clarity of what's next step, right? Yeah.
3.5 minutes.
Yes.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मुझे ये पता था, बट मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि साल से सॉल्यूशन मिल सकता है 300 लोगों वाला।
See,
आप
that's
पूछ के तो देखो सब मिलेगा.
that success principle. Ask. You remember that, right?
ये तो उसके बाद से मैं बहुत आस करता हूँ, बट मैंने उस दिन ओएंगर तक लिमिट कर दिया इस चीज को. Then I asked Shaz.
So
उसके आगे बात.
there is one.
Any kind of digital marketing, any kind of digital marketing solutions can come through me because I'm at least into 15 different digital marketing groups and connected to at least 2,000 plus digital marketers.
Oh God, मेरी आँख खुली की खुली रह गई शायद. Oh great. So I guess I will also get a lot of help from you, Shaz, in terms of my digital promotion. In fact, I was about to talk about that only. So let me be the next volunteer, right? Okay. So as I told you all that I'm working on some creative fun course on law of attraction, and I am kind of looking forward to recording it now. So there is a recording app. I don't know if you have heard about it. It's called as Camtasia, right? Uspe directly you can have that software installed in your this thing laptop, and you can directly record yourself on video, and you can speak. You can have your slides running in the background. Everything is done through that software only.
Right.
Can you repeat the software?
Recording
What's the name?
screens.
Sorry.
Camtasia.
How do you spell it?
Camtasia. It's Camtasia. Camtasia. I can drop the name in that book.
Okay.
So that software is something that you can download in your laptop, and I think it's not free. You have a free trial of say 3 months or something, and then it will be costing some amount. It is not that much, so you can buy it for creating your online courses. The problem, as in the thing that I'm right now dealing with, is if someone can help me hand holding this entire thing which I'm doing. This is the first time I'll be doing it, something like that, right? So for me to get that done and edit the video and everything, I needed someone who can like not do it with me, but not do it for me, because I have to do it myself. Someone who can handhold me, someone who has made courses earlier in Camtasia or any other software. They have different softwares for Mac and for Windows. So Camtasia is only for Windows. Okay, so that's something which I was needing help for. Right now, the content and everything is done. All I need to do is to just go to Camtasia and start recording and start editing as well. So technically, I needed someone to handhold me. So if you know someone who has made online courses like that, video courses like that, or if he or she has used any of such softwares, and will be able to guide me, just a basic guidance would be all that I would need. Otherwise, wo to karte bhi, hone lagta hai. You start learning as you start doing, right? So that's what I needed. So if any one of you knows who has created any kind of online courses through any of the softwares or any of the apps, is more than welcome to guide me through this. So that's it from my end.
I can suggest two things.
Yeah.
One is the Fiverr, which I talked about.
Okay.
So that you can contact somebody. The person can handhold you as well as do the things for you. And
Okay.
there's another website called superprof.com.
Super.
Prof, PROF. It's a short form for professor. So
Okay.
there you'll find people doing short courses for different things. As well as I had put my details for counseling, so I got a couple of customers from there. So
Okay.
they have certain short courses, like in case if you want to learn editing, video editing. So they
Okay.
have a trainer and teacher there who can actually take 4 to 5 sessions of you, as well as train you on doing it yourself, and can handhold you. Yeah, and the good part is the prices are also not very expensive. Plus, in most of the cases, you get the first session free.
Oh.
Okay, so you can actually try and test out the trainer before actually enrolling for it.
Yeah, that's an amazing idea, Shaz. Most of the ideas are coming from you only. You're the source of energy for all of us. Great.
He's a big boss for all of us. Bound to be.
So
And I
nice
think
of you.
somebody else has, I think गायिका बाई वन के नाम से जो लॉगिन है उन्होंने हैंड रेस किया है.
Yeah, hi, Gayatri.
Uh,
Yeah,
yeah,
ma'am.
I am actually franchisee with a group where we train people. So what you are looking for, it might work out also. I can get you trained free.
Oh, wow. They
That would
train
be great.
people for video editing and all these things? Ma'am,
Hello, your voice is breaking.
am I audible
Yes,
to everyone else?
very clearly.
So, ma'am, can you hear me now?
Hello.
Yeah, I think you have an issue at your end, ma'am. There might be some network issues. Am I audible to you now?
No, it is your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So I will connect with you. Can you give me your number? Just please share your number. I'll connect with you.
Okay. I will put it in the chat.
Yeah.
Yes, you can. And you can
Okay.
connect later.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So who is next? I think Bhaskar sir has already put his plug and play device, right? Yeah, he's sent the details in the chat, Shaz. Yeah, the Chaiko can details. Yeah. So who is next? Who wants to go next? Anyone who wants to share their goals and wants to share their challenge they are facing, so we can brainstorm on that. I think 3 people of us got a great clarity on what's the next step that has to be taken. Anyone else who wants to come forward and add to this? No professional issues anymore? Bharat sir. Hi Bharat sir. How are you?
So
Ma'am, actually, I joined it late, so I couldn't collaborate with what you all are speaking, and my voice also network issue I'm having.
Yeah. It's okay.
So probably in the group you can just put in the chat about the subject you are having here.
Yeah. So Trisha is also having some network issues, I guess.
Okay. My voice is audible. Otherwise, I will leave.
Your voice is completely clear and totally clear. We can hear you very clearly. You can continue if you want. Ma'am, you can speak.
Neha, probably you can give a brief as to what we are doing here, because I think a couple of people joined late.
Okay.
Not able to relate to it.
So what we are doing right now is we are having a mastermind session group over here. Okay, so everyone in this group is supposed to come forward and share one of their professional goals. And if is there any challenge or obstacle or anything that they're dealing with right now, which they want solution for. Okay, so they are going to share that with us, and then we will brainstorm solutions with each other. Like we started with Mr. Bhaskar, who told that there is a play and plug-in device that can be very beneficial for corona patients. And then everyone started collaborating and contributing ideas and resources to him, that this is where he can go ahead and start marketing that. Similarly, Sanjeev sir shared something and I shared something, and everyone else started giving me us ideas and resources that will help me resolve that issue. So if any one of you from the group has a professional goal that you're working right now in this moment, and you're having any kind of issue or problem or challenge that you're facing in the process of achieving that goal, you can come forward and share that with us. This is the idea of having a mastermind session where we help each other, we support each other to to manifest our goals faster. It's like fast tracking the process of our goal manifestation by helping each other and by supporting each other. So this is the idea of this group. So is there anyone who wants to come forward, or we'll go ahead with the next step and we will kind of end it? Okay, anyone? Okay, so Shaz, we'll continue now. I think most of the people are, I don't know, they're shy or camera shy or audio shy, I don't know. So now I think you're clear that what we do usually in a mastermind session, right?
Trusha has raised hand, so I think.
Yeah, Trusha, hi, ma'am.
You're on mute.
Ma'am, you're on mute. Can you please unmute yourself?
Mm-hmm. Yes, my goal is now to just promote my sound healing therapy sessions in the media, social media. So this is my goal, but I'm not a technician. Say thoda problem hota hai because I don't use all these things. You know, just mobile and think hai. So my goal is to learn all these things.
Okay, great. What is the session you said, ma'am? Trusha, ma'am, what is the session you, what's your specialty?
Sound healing. Sound healing.
I'm sound healing therapy.
Oh, wow. That's really amazing to hear, actually. Shaz, I think it's your forte. We're all routing our questions to Shaz. Okay.
See, there are a couple of things I can suggest. One is that you can start. Do you have an account on Instagram?
No, I will have to create.
So one thing is I would suggest Instagram is going really hot nowadays, even better than Facebook. So create an account on Instagram and watch a couple of YouTube videos as to how to promote your stuff free of cost. Okay, so there are certain things you would need to do on daily basis on Instagram. Certain creatives you would need to create and just post them, telling them about your product. And how these things can help you, just one-liner things with a background image. And there's a software called Canva. So in Canva, you have ready-made templates for Instagram as well as for other Facebooks and everything also, but you need to focus on Instagram. So just pick up that template, write a couple of statements there and post it. Post 3 to 4 templates on daily basis, or at least twice or thrice a week. Okay. And the other thing is, we have this midweek magic session you are attending, so we can invite you as a guest speaker or a guest trainer once, so that you can take a half-an-hour session for all of us and teach us sound healing.
Yes, thank you. I'll do that.
One suggestion from my side is there's one person in Bangalore. His name is MV Priyank. He's actually something like your guru of sound healing. Okay.
Sir, I have learned from him only. I have learned from him.
Good. Okay, he does amazing sessions on Facebook and other places.
Yes.
That's good. Okay.
I'm with his group.
Okay, thank you very much.
Wow. So I have one suggestion. I'll tell you, a year back, I was as challenged as you are right now. A year back, technologically, I was as challenged as you are right now, because we used to have everything face to face. Suddenly, China and COVID happened, and then we all went in our homes, right? So at that time, going online or doing all this digital stuff, we were all new to that, right? So suddenly when it came, then we started learning, and through learning, we all learned and we all became masters. Right now, doing online sessions to meet. I'm not able to do earlier. I did some courses on Udemy, which you can also search. There are a lot of courses on digital marketing, basic courses, which beginners courses, which you can learn. Which includes everything, holistic digital marketing. learning the basics of Instagram and how to post, to do a Facebook post, how to engage with the audience, all these things you can have at very minimal cost. Okay, because right now everyone is online, so they have reduced the cost to like 300-400 bucks only. So you can go ahead, check on Udemy, check on Coursera. We have a lot of beginners course on digital marketing. Yeah, I would
thank you so
love to
much.
hear from you, Trisha ma'am, that we are doing this, and I would be the first one to follow you on Instagram once you make that page.
Sure. Yeah, thank you.
That would be
Thank you.
great. In
Great.
fact, the website link which I've shared, superprof.com, you can register in that also. You
Sure.
can provide or post
Sure.
yourself as an expert.
Sure. I will share my video also. Someone has made my video on YouTube, so I will do
Okay.
share.
Okay,
Thank you.
sure. I think, are you in the Midweek Magic Club group, WhatsApp group?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. So you can post the video there, or if you want to share it personally, you can.
Sure. Thank you.
All right. Thanks, Trisha. So we'll get in touch.
Great. Thank you so much for coming forward.
So yesterday only.
Everyone is
That-
camera. You're
Niharika, I think there's a voice break. Not able to hear you.
Am I audible now? Am I?
The
Your
voice
voice
is
is breaking.
I think this is end right now, because we almost, this was where everyone shares issues and storm solutions, and now we do to stretch as in all the way that we are going to on all resolution we actually achieved through this discussions, right? To act, right? Are we all excited on what it got result? Say yes. I need your Bhaskar, Sanjeev has shared. Trisha ma'am has to get that we are going to strict more, and we are going to on all ever give. Okay.
Niharika, I think your voice is cracking. You can log off and log in again.
That and log off and log in.
Are you on mute? You're on mute.
Yeah. Am I audible, visible now?
Yes. Now it's fine. Audio,
Okay.
video, everything is working fine now.
Yeah. So what I was saying is, we now will have to commit to whatever that ideas we have gotten now. We have to stretch. Okay. We have to act on those ideas. So are we ready to commit on that?
Yes.
Yes. And then the next step is we end with gratitude, as in with close your eyes for 1 minute and just say thank you for all the ideas that you received through this mastermind session. Say thanks in your mind to everyone who actually contributed with ideas, resources, and everyone. Just say thank you. Okay, so we can open our eyes. So this brings us to the end and the last step of our mastermind session, and that step is be accountable. Be accountable for the next steps. Okay, be accountable means that That means you don't have to just go out of this mastermind session and just go rest, right? You have to take action and be accountable for whatever steps that you have just now committed towards. Okay, that's the last step, and this is how a complete mastermind session or a group session is done with people who actually want to achieve, who are committed towards living their life goals and their dreams. Okay, so are we all clear on this entire session? How was the session, guys? How was the session, this entire session? How many of you are going to do such sessions from this moment onwards?
I was doing in one part, now I will think of doing in the second vertical also. That
Wow.
means
That's great. Have you witnessed any changes, Sanjeev, in your mindset, in your everything, right? After doing mastermind sessions?
See, actually जब पहले आपको नहीं पता रहता है तो it looks like a burden and sometimes you then avoid it and think यार ये मेरे से नहीं होगा. But जब आप पूछते हो, जैसे अभी all of a sudden किसी ने एक चीज बता दी, वो मेरे काम की थी, तो उसके लिए मैं पता नहीं कितना एक्सप्लोर करता, and that came up in a moment.
Wow.
तो उससे ये आता है कि ये पूछने से मिलेगा.
Yeah, I feel that when we are doing this kind of sessions with accountability partners or with everyone, right? We always have this pressure that abhi mujhe ye session se pehle karna hai. We have this pressure inside us that otherwise it will be very difficult. If the people are not dedicated enough, I told you in the beginning only that there's no point. The beauty of the mastermind session loses, right? So what I'm trying to say is, when you are part of such groups and people are pushing towards you, pushing you and helping you resolve your thing, then you become more committed. This is how. Otherwise, we are all just solo entrepreneurs working on left, right, and center without any goals, right? So that gives us a lot of clarity, a lot of ideas, and that keeps on our edge, right? We are always on our edge, and then we have to take this leap of faith before the next mastermind session happens. Otherwise, I'll be scolded by my friends or whoever who's part of this group, right? So this brings us to the end of this entire mastermind session. I hope that everyone, each one of you, goes out of the session, either tries to make a mastermind session or have an accountability partner who you can help each other, track each other's success in this process of achieving your life goals. Okay, so that's it from my end. Shaz, you want to speak about the digital session that we are going to have in the next
Yes, I posted the details in the chat. So we are coming up with the digital marketing workshop by the expert trainer Ongir Bhattacharya. It would be on 19th of this month. So anybody who would like to promote any of his products online or would like to learn about digital marketing, here's the first step towards it. So I would urge you to enroll for it. Bhaskar, I think that would be a very good idea, that you start exploring the digital marketing stuff more so that you can start promoting this product of yours online. So that is it from my side. And overall, it was a very nice session. Thank you very much, Niharika, for coordinating it. And I personally myself came up with certain good innovative ideas today.
Even I had so many ideas. I've written it down over here. So I had also written down the number of Miss Geeta Jagasia. I think she has left already, but I'm going to bug her now for my free training.
Drop her number. She's dropped her number, Niharika. Please drop her.
Yeah.
So, abhi to party शुरू हुई है. That's all we can say.
Yes. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Have a safe rest of the week. And maybe in future we'll try, taking it from here to the next mastermind session, and we'll see how many people actually acted on these ideas and actually were accountable for whatever they are going, to achieve. Okay, cool.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Good night to all of you.
Good night.
Good night. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Ravi ji.
Thank you.